research, as well as to spread this message through very important exposition. From the Experience Music Project, we arrived to the museum experience, and I like a lot the word experience that always tie together. As for now, in January, I am very happy to underline how the Grammy Museum opened to Asia, China, if I remember, also the Prudential Center, New Jersey. So very spread to outside the US, but very deep in the US, where all we come from studying this, because music making history was a museum. Strongly believe in the 20th century music, African American music, and also the political fact that thanks because of the Cold War, military context of Cold War affects strongly our culture. So we really do believe in it, and I'm very proud, honored, and very, very, very happy to introduce this wonderful lecture, The Globalization of American Music in the 20th Century. Professor Robert Santelli, thank you.
Thank you, Professor, and thank you, distinguished guests. I so much appreciate being here. Also, the students for coming out today for our little celebration in the lecture. As I said this morning to the students, I apologize that you have to speak English. I wish I knew more Italian. With a name like Santelli, you would think I would know more, but I don't, and so I apologize. The next time I come, I'll know more. So be patient with me. I also wanted to say two other things before we get started. Number one is I applaud the students in your class that I had the opportunity to work with this morning. The scholarship, the ideas, the connection to intellectualism that I saw today is very, very impressive. And as I told the students, that they have an open invitation to the Grammy Museum, to the Bruce Springsteen Archives, the Woody Guthrie Center, and many other institutional researchers in America for their work to be housed there so that other students can learn what you're doing and get a particularly Italian point of view on our music, which I think would be very enlightening for students as well as music fans in America. So thank you for the great work that you are doing, and thank you for the opportunity to share some insight this morning. It was a great experience, so thank you for that. And then finally, I should say some words, as I said this morning, about this very special relationship. As you know, the students, because I talked about this earlier today, but in America we have 14 Grammy Museum University affiliates. Most recently, Yale University, a very distinguished university in America, has come on and established a relationship. This today is the very first time that the Grammy Museum or any of the music museums in America have begun to create a relationship with a university outside of America. So it is historic for us, hopefully it is for you, and the opportunity now to engage in scholarship and internships and possibilities that I can't even think of right now. But this is really what the Grammy Museum is all about, creating the next generation of scholars, creating the next generation of musicians, hopefully Grammy musicians, and also the opportunity for faculty and others to engage with each other. It's going to be a very exciting opportunity for us in Los Angeles and hopefully for you here in Rome. It would not be possible without Professor Merolla, whose work I have known for a number of years. I don't know whether you know this, but she's kind of like a rock star in America when it comes to music scholarship. Everybody knows her. Everybody says, she talks a lot. She always talks a lot. But we say we like to hear what she says because very often it is done so much with passion. And we love her for that. And really, it's because of you telling me about the work that you were doing and then about the larger intellectual atmosphere here at Sapienza that I was able to bring to my board of directors the opportunity to bring you on as an affiliate. The board approved unanimously, and you have to take a lot of credit for that. So thank you for that, for sure. How about a hand?
Well, first of all, I want to say it's a great honor to be here. As you have said, this is a history-making moment for you as well as for us, because today this is the first time a university outside of America will be connected to the Grammy Museum. We are the very first, you know? So it's exciting, and it makes me very happy and very proud. This logo right here, the Grammy logo, is without question the most powerful logo, the most powerful mark in music in the entire world. Never before has there been a mark like this. It is known throughout the world. So because of its power and because of its prestige, and known that we use this politically as well as culturally in America and beyond.
Okay, thank you very much. I would say that you have a couple of minutes, okay, to put yourself together and be prepared, and then you will introduce this kind of research, Power Revolution project, and also the kind of idea that is behind.
Only you kiss someone? And it became one soft as the sun meets her.